Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make the tech robot walk forward. And to do this you have two different options. You need to grab your joystick, and then there's the forward button right here, also on the right side. And the one on the left makes it walk about like 10 centimeters or something like that. So if you click on it, it will begin to walk forward and then just stop. When you click on the right button, it will basically walk forward and toggle it. That means to stop it from walking forward, you will need to click on the program or just the back button to make it move back. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.